because of our preparation. You see we have a sharp, crispy ash line. The skin is very clean and prepared. Now that we have the rough draft, all I'm going to do is use my straight razor and really detail it out. And I'll show you guys how to get it as clean as possible. I can brush the hair out of the way so that I can get it on the skin. And this part up. I can apply the same principle. Same thing over here. I can see where his lineup is, so I know where to spray this enhancement. Now I'm gonna go ahead and brush this hair up. And I'm going to put the enhancement here so that it hits the skin and not the hair. Set our guideline. So you can see we start here, angle it to the mustache. Now you want to hit the skin right in front of the hair. Don't touch the actual hair. Boom. Now watch what happens. Now what I just did was scooped it off. So as you're straight razoring, you almost want to remove it.